store equipment improve the retail experience in smaller format convenience stores?
You should have given me a heads up on this to think about that. I think anything that enables the shopper to have a better experience, be it physical or just the messaging that goes around the equipment that's being used, is to the advantage of the shop owner and of the customer. We've certainly seen that the equipment that's provided in especially in smaller format stores does have a direct impact on the sales. For example, when we introduced a larger hand shopping basket, the sales increased on average by 15 to 20% by going from a 24 to a 30-litre hand basket. That is a physical aspect and a physical attribute of making it easier for somebody to actually purchase more. If you then can couple that with a message that is more around the soft issues such as sustainability, and for our forthcoming hand basket that will be also made in recycled plastic, that one ticks all the boxes.
What trends are currently influencing store equipment in smaller format convenience stores? What trends are influencing that industry that you've noticed?
Certainly, there's a trend is for more frequent shop. Industry data shows that a lot of people are now shopping 4 to 5 times a week, in a lot of cases daily, and even more than once a day. There's a trend for shoppers to pick up something fresh on the way home and prepare a fresh meal rather than a big bulk shop. And that also influences then the equipment, and certainly in the space we're operating in the trolleys and hand baskets.
What should a retailer look for when upgrading store equipment in these stores? What should they be looking for?
I think they should definitely be looking at the message they send through what they put in their store. And I might be biased here, but if you can source something local, you can source it from a sustainable source, you're going to be buying this in any case. When you spend the money, just get those additional aspects and extra bang for your buck.
How can your business help a retailer?
Well, those boxes that I was talking about that can be ticked, certainly with our equipment, we manufacture right here in Melbourne, with Australian manufacturer, and we're using recycled materials rather than importing the equipment mainly from China.
And then just further what you're saying about introducing a larger hand basket's had a direct impact on the sales within businesses that use them?
Yeah, the data definitely shows, even though it sounds strange to believe, shopper behaviour is, in a lot of cases, shop until the hand basket in this case is full, rather than just shop what you need. So if there's more space and it is easy enough to carry around, most shoppers will continue shopping, and there will be a lot more impulse buys, thus increasing the spend per shop. And the same goes for a trolley. If you can make a trolley light but still high volume, and there's enough space, people will continue shopping in a lot of cases.
Last question. What are your predictions for the future of store equipment in small format convenience stores?
Certainly, the trends that also in the larger stores would continue to make it more seamless experience. So any equipment that can aid in making it easier for a customer to get in and out. And we're talking here about checkout-less type of scenarios where there might be some electronic tagging in the product, scanning at the point of taking the product off the shelf rather than at a specific checkout point. That's definitely going to be a big trend. Just get people in and out as quick as possible, since they'll be doing this more, or they are doing it more frequently. They don't want to go and stand in a queue to pay, and they around the products that we supply, certainly with the plastic baskets and plastic cages instead of a metal cage in the trolley, it facilitates all those technologies.
Is that like this is not even on their list, but I'll chuck it in. Is the next level in terms of being able to, with supercarts and also with hand baskets, and you're saying the shopping experience needs to be more in real time, like where products are scanned as you put them into your baskets? How far away do you think that is? Do you think that is a genuine thing that will happen in the industry?
Yes, definitely. There are a couple of the bigger retailers already experimenting with that. They've got trial stores both in Australia and in New Zealand, and indications are shoppers are definitely going that way. They do like that ability to be in control of what they do rather than go and stand and wait for somebody to serve them or wait for a self-checkout.
Is there anything that you want to add to that I haven't asked you?
No, I haven't actually thought too much about it.
You've loved this interview while August is happening.